In this problem, a vehicle is slowing down while traveling a certain distance, and we want to calculate what is the average acceleration. So we know that acceleration is change in velocity divided by the change in time. But we're not given the time in this problem. We're given the original velocity, the final velocity, and the displacement. So we can't just plug into this definition for acceleration. But we also know that final velocity squared equals original velocity squared plus 2 times the acceleration times the displacement. This equation will work because we're given these three values and we're solving for acceleration. So we need to subtract this original velocity squared. I'm going to come and I'm going to divide then by 2 times the displacement to leave the acceleration all by itself. And so when I plug in my values, final velocity 8.9 meters per second, that's being squared, minus 30.9 meters per second, that's also being squared. Dividing that by 2 times our displacements, 2 times 65.5 meters. And so 8.9 squared minus 30.9 squared. I'll go ahead and hit enter there on my calculator because I didn't use parentheses. So I have that value divided by parentheses 2 times 65.5. And so we get an acceleration of negative, because we're slowing down, negative 6.68 meters per second squared. And I should say it's not just because we're slowing down, but our original velocity was positive, and because we were slowing down, our acceleration's in the opposite direction, so it must be a negative.